Kraft Incorporated was established in 1950 by Kurt Roy's grandfather.
At the time, it started out as primarily jewelry findings for costume jewelry. From there, we progressed over the years through different clips and also hinges, hangers, and other specialty metal stampings.
One of the many products that Kraft produces are the coffee bag clips for Kona Coffee, located in Hawaii. And the process of producing those clips is very detailed.
The process would start with developing a new product. This is done talking to customers and seeing what their current needs are. From there, we design out the finished product. Then the finished product is going to go through one of our application machines. We start on the design work of that while working on making the tooling. Then once the production tooling is finished, we do test samples, test strips, tweak the tooling so it runs properly, get final strips or final pieces that we can run through our equipment and test our equipment, and then everything is ready to go to the customer.
The material to make the hardware clips comes from steel companies, and they use many different types of machinery.
The hardware itself is made by stamping presses, but the tooling and the componentry is CNC milling machines, grinders, wire EDM machines.
The coffee clips matter to the company and the world for many different reasons.
So our product matters to the world for different reasons for the different products. Coffee bag clips keep their coffee fresh, and nobody likes stale coffee. This product means a lot to me because it's a family business. It's enabled our family a way to stay kind of together and close over many years, and it's also given us as a family and the extended family of our employees nice living, and we just look forward to seeing the next generation come up and hopefully enjoying it as much as we have.